I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream! Welcome to Heartdeco Wonders, everyone. Today I'm showing you a really cool and new ice cream making machine. Okay, so we're gonna hop right into the unboxing. I'm opening up the box over here, and then we can see immediately we have an instruction manual, which is very important to read. Please make sure that you understand all the controls, all the important information is in here, the features, how to clean your ice cream making machine, and it even has a recipe section which it shows you how to make mango ice cream, banana ice cream, and creamy milk ice cream. And then there are other options as well, which is great to look at. We also have an ice cream scoop over here. Okay, so it is covered in plastic. I'm just gonna take that out and show you how to use it. Okay, so it comes in this really cute creamy color, which I think is great for ice cream making, as a, like a vanilla color of original ice cream. And then we're going to plug it in. It uses like a hairdryer plug, but then we're gonna just plug it into this 2-point plug over here. As you can hear the beep, it has an LCD control panel over here, which you can read up about for the different functions. Then it has a small peeping hole so you can see the ice cream making process. Then over here we have the removable motor, which you can take out when cleaning the machine so it doesn't get wet. And then if you want to unlock the see-through window, you just turn and then lift. You can take out the mixing tool to wash it. And then the aluminium mixing bowl also has a handle which you can take out to clean it. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the unit, and then you can see there's a beautiful display over here. It is set on the ice cream making mode, which is automatically set to 1 hour, but you can adjust it by pressing on the minus to maybe make for 50 minutes instead. And then moving over to the control panel, you can also set it to the cooling mode, which will keep your ice cream cold for 30 minutes. And then a mixing mode, which will kind of just like refresh your ice cream if you've been standing for a long time. You can set it for mixing for 10 minutes and then it will be nicely mixed and fresh again. So just to show you how everything works, I'm going to put on the device again and just press on the play button over here, and then you can see it turning. Okay guys, so that is how easy it is to make ice cream with our ice cream maker. It is perfect for family use. Please make sure to keep adult supervision when children are using it, and enjoy your ice cream during the hot summer days. It's available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.